Okay guys, so we are out here and we are gonna pop these balloons. That's right. So we're trying to clean up. We have these balloons and most of them deflated, and I had to reinflate them with a straw. But anyway, here is what we're using. We're using so we're using Freddy Kruger chopsticks. Oh my gosh, I couldn't think of the word. So anyway, all right, so let's get started popping. Whoa!
Dead.
He's dead already. And here is the balloon. He's all empty. All gone. Now we're gonna do these little ones. What's this? This one's the jack-o'-lantern one, right? Yeah. Whoa! Whoa!
Look, this time I'm gonna do this.
Wait, what are you doing?
Like this, I got you.
Whoa! Now let's do this one. Wait, let's do this one in slow motion. Alright, so we got some more balloons because Aaron didn't wait to pop the black one. So we're gonna pop these with slow motion.
Okay.
Alright, so Aaron wants to pop some of his old planet balloons. That's a deflated sun. I don't know what the green one is.
It's like a little sack. Ooh, it's hard.
I'm gonna break the popsicle. Oh, you got it!
Oh.
Alright, now this one.
Okay, and then
That one.
oh, that's a hard one too, right?
Got it! Alright, and last but not least, we have this cat. Whoa!
Like, watch this.
It doesn't have helium. I blew it up with air.
Hello.
Hello.
Do I sound like a little boy?
Alright, there is our last balloon. Now, if you're sad about them being popped, they were losing air. They didn't have a good seal. So it's fine. It's not a big deal. We have a big balloon arrangement we're going to do in a little while. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh my gosh, guys. We totally forgot a balloon. Can you believe that?
Do you want to get out?
Ready?
Yeah, can you just put it up in the
All right.
Done.
All right. Now we're done.